If you are a BCom, BBA or MCom graduate struggling to find a job, you are not alone. Every year, thousands of graduates face the same problem. Why aren't there enough jobs for us? In today's video, I'll break down why traditional degrees aren't enough anymore, what skills the job market actually needs, and how you can bridge the gap to build a thriving career. Stick with me, because the solutions might surprise you. The problem with traditional degrees. Let's get real. Traditional degrees like BCom, BBA or even MCom were once golden tickets to good jobs, but not anymore. Here's why. Outdated curriculum. Most universities are still teaching theories that were relevant a decade ago, but the job market has evolved. No practical skills. Employers today want candidates who can hit the ground running, but many graduates lack hands-on experience. Overcrowded market. With so many students graduating with the same qualifications, how do you stand out? What the job market really wants. Here's the truth. Employers aren't just looking for degrees, they are looking for skills. They want professionals who know financial modeling, financial analysis, and accounting and management, etc. They need experts in fintech, investment banking, and digital transformation. Simply put, if your skills don't match their needs, your degree won't get you hired. How Imarticus Learning can help you stand out. Here's the good news. Imarticus Learning bridges the gap between your degree and the job market. Their programs are designed to teach in-demand skills, learn financial modeling, investment banking operations, financial analysis, fintech, and more with courses crafted by industry experts. Provide hands-on training. Unlike traditional universities, Imarticus focuses on real-world projects and case studies. Offer career support with over 3,500 hiring partners, including top firms like Goldman Sachs and KPMG. We don't just teach, we help you land your dream job. And guess what? 8 out of 10 learners at Imarticus recommend their programs to friends and family. That's how transformative their courses are. What's your next step? Here's what you need to do to take control of your career. Access your skills. Identify the gaps between what you know and what the market demands. Choose the right program. Imarticus offers courses in investment banking, financial analysis, banking and finance, global accounting and finance, and more, tailored to your goals. Start building your future with classroom learning, live online classes, flexible schedules, and expert mentors. Imarticus Learning makes it easy to upskill without quitting your current job. Your degree is just a beginning. It's time to take it to the next level. The job market isn't broken. It just changed. And you can change with it. Your BCom, BBA or MCom degrees doesn't have to be the end of your story. It can be the beginning of something amazing. With the right skills, guidance, and mindset, the opportunities are endless. And if you need help getting there, Imarticus Learning is the partner you have been looking for. Hit like, share this video with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more career hacks. Remember, your dream job isn't out of reach. It just starts with the right step.